Healthway Medical is the official medical partner of the Philippine Superliga, and that's exactly where the action is right now on this Sunday afternoon right here at the Phil Sports Arena. Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Ricky Flores. Day number 4 of competition of the Philippine Superliga. Gretchen Ho, Petron up by 2 here in the third set. Gumabaw off the block of Tabaquero. Di Makulangan. Here comes Angge. Peñano. Chisayet. Iris Patrona into the hands of Maizo. Penetrante. Here's Tabaquero.
Free ball.
Yep, Gretchen Ho gives it up. Quick set now. Penetrante. And it ends right there. So Maureen Penetrante scoring once again for Bingo Millonarios. This very close third set rather, continues. Giza Yumang will return to action. And her rest back, April Jose, joins her there. This time replacing Michelle Gumabaw.
That's right. Well, they need that because it's a crucial part of the third set.
They're down by 1. April Jose, let's see if she launches that cannon serve again. It hasn't happened for her yet today. Di Makulangan, combination, Tabaquero off the block of Giza Yumang. And Giza Yumang saying she never touched it. Penetrante will contest. It looked like Giza Yumang had a hand on that.
Well, whatever, the referee's decision is final, so...
Yeah. That's Philip Season, of course, international referee on the platform. Good read by Cher Peñano.
And she thanks God for that.